How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can connect your SteelSeries Stratus XL controller to your personal computer. So basically, the first thing that you want to do is to just navigate through your controller itself. Unfortunately, I don't have my controller, but you then want to find a button at the top of the controller, which is going to be around this area, and then it's going to look something like this. This is basically the wireless pairing mode or the Bluetooth pairing mode for our controller. But before you do this, also make sure that you have batteries installed on the back of your controller, and at the same time, the controller is turned on. So from there, just navigate through your Bluetooth and other device setting. In here, click on Add Device, and then you just want to navigate through Bluetooth. Unfortunately, in my case, I don't have my Bluetooth adapter plugged onto my device, but you just want to look for the SteelSeries Stratus XL on this specific part of the step. Basically, this is where we can see all of the Bluetooth devices nearby our computer. Click on it and you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.